Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack. Today I'll show you how to add a voice changer to your Discord server. First, open Internet Explorer or any browser you use. Search for Clownfish Voice Changer Download. Click the result and the download page will appear. The file will download, then open the installer and run it. Install the application to continue with the setup. After installation, open the Clownfish client you just downloaded. Click on Setup, then select System Integration. Install the microphone that is currently connected to your desktop. If the microphone is already installed, select it to proceed. Before applying the voice changer, open Discord again. Click on Settings, scroll down, and open Voice and Video. Set the input device to the Clownfish microphone. Adjust the input volume and confirm the settings. Now go back to the Clownfish application. Open Set Voice Changer from the menu. Select a voice effect such as a female pitch or another preset. You can also adjust boost and sensitivity or clear the effect to choose again. This is how you add a voice changer to your Discord server. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.